In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add vendors in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which details matter so your bills, payments, and 1099s are accurate and organized. Start by opening QuickBooks in your browser and signing into your company file. Once you're in, look to the left navigation panel, select Expenses and Pay Bills. This section is your home base for anything related to spending, bills, purchases, and the suppliers you work with. On the Expenses page, switch to the Vendors tab. This is the directory of all the people and companies you pay. From here, you can view existing vendors, see balances due, and quickly create bills tied to the right payee. Next, click New Vendor. You'll usually find this button at the top right. That opens a vendor profile form, and this is where careful setup pays off. The display name is what you'll see throughout QuickBooks, so use a consistent naming convention, especially if you have multiple branches or similar supplier names. If applicable, fill in the company field as well as a contact person so you know who to reach. Add the vendor's email and phone so purchase orders, bills, or remittance info can be sent smoothly. Enter the billing address exactly as it should appear on checks to prevent payment delays. If you have standard payment terms like Net 30, set them here so due dates calculate automatically on future bills. If the vendor assigned you an account number, record it for easy reference. If you work with independent contractors, consider turning on 1099 tracking for that vendor and, if required, attach their W-9 to the profile using the attachments area. You can also select a default expense category if most of your purchases from this vendor go to the same account. This saves time and reduces coding mistakes on each bill. Avoid putting sensitive data in notes. Use the proper fields and attachments instead. As you type, QuickBooks may warn you if a similar name already exists. That's helpful for preventing duplicates, which can cause reporting and payment issues. Review everything for accuracy before proceeding. When you're finished, click Save. You'll be taken back to the vendors list where you should now see your new vendor ready to use. From here, you can create a bill, write a check, or start a purchase order, and the vendor details will autofill based on what you just entered. If anything needs tweaking, open the vendor again and edit the profile. No need to start over. That's it. You've manually added a vendor in QuickBooks, set the right defaults, and laid the groundwork for clean, reliable expense tracking.